How to add bio on Facebook Lite. How to add bio on Facebook Lite. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook Lite and then navigate to your profile page. Once you're here, click on the button that says Edit Profile, and then you will see the bio section. Click on Add next to it, and here you will be able to add your bio in this field right here. Once you're done, click on Save at the bottom to save the changes, and as you can see, your bio will appear right here. It's that easy and simple. So that is it for this video. That's how you can add bio to your profile using the Facebook Lite app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.